Hello everyone, I am Ashna.
I am Amisha.
We are from MBA second semester and we are here to present our presentation on a business research that we had conducted a week ago on understanding student buying behavior in our college canteen. As we all know, college canteen has become regular part of student life. So we have conducted a survey to understand student buying behavior patterns in our college canteen. So here is the tools that we have used. Google Form to record students' responses. Then we have 100 sample size where our core objective was to evaluate student preferences over taste, price, varieties, hygiene, and food choices. Our research type was basically based on descriptive type. If we look on the pie chart, we can see that 48.5% student responded from a BBA, then 20.2% student responded from MBA, then 31.3% student responded from BCA. Here we can see that different students responded from different academic backgrounds. So we can observe that there are significantly 5 factors which influences student choices, which was taste, price, variety, hygiene, and food choices. So first we will go with the taste, price, and food choices. There were 3 questions that we had arise. What influenced them to buy from food from college canteen? Then how price changes influence their buying decision? Then which food type they prefer the most? So we have recorded that 41.4% students responded that they go with the friend recommendation. Then we have recorded that sometimes students are influenced by price. Then we have recorded that they go with snacks over beverages and healthy foods. Now I will hand over to Amisha to continue.
In this slide, we can see what students think about hygiene and affordable food price in the canteen. Most students are satisfied with the hygiene of the canteen. About 60% of the students say that it is good, and for 24% students are said it is excellent, and about 16% students says that it is average. No one rated it as poor, so which is very positive sign. In this slide, we can see what students think about hygiene and affordable price in the canteen. Most of the students are satisfied with the hygiene of the canteen. About 60% students say that it is good, and 24% say that it is very excellent, and 16% feel that it is average. No one rated it as poor, so which is very positive sign. We can also ask some of the students that the canteen that the food provided by the canteen is budget friendly or not. Half of the students, about 56% said yes, and 24% said no, and 20% feel that and 20% were not sure. So we can say that most of the students are happy with the canteen foods and their hygiene. This slide shows what the students want their food choices in the canteen, and their drinks are. Some of the students wanted food choices like momos and sandwiches, which is very highly recommended. And some of the students prefer local food like chaat and samosa, tikki. Some students like healthy food drinks like fruit juice and fruit chaat, and some of the suggestions were special meal like biryani and more chicken items. Some students also responded that snacks and food items are also be there in the canteen menu. This shows that the students want more varieties and food choices in the canteen. To conclude, our survey help us to understand the students' needs and their preferences. Students' buying behavior is primarily influenced by the 4 factors like taste, price, hygiene, and variety. Based on the survey results, we suggest introducing weekly menu rotation, adding more healthy food preferences by the students, and improve cleanliness. So, if these suggestions are implemented, students will more satisfied, and improving canteen service based on student preferences enhance overall satisfaction.
Thank you. Hope you find this video informative.